नहमदहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम व यसअलूनका अन ज़िल क़रनैन क़ुल सअत्लू अलैकुम मिन्हु ज़िक्रा। And they ask you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, about Dhul Qarnayn. Say, I will recite to you about him a report. Inna makkanna lahu fil ardi wa ataynahu min kulli shay'in sababa. Indeed, we established him upon the earth and we gave him from everything a way. Fa'atba'a sababa. So he followed a way. حتى إذا بلغ مغرب الشمس وجدها تغرب في عين حمية ووجد عندها قوما قلنا يا ذا القرنين إما أن تعذب وإما أن تتخذ فيهم حسنا. Until when he reached the setting of the sun, he found it setting in a body of a dark water, and he found near it a people. He said, O Zulkarnain, either you punish or else adopt among them goodness. قال أما من ظلم فسوف نعذبه ثم يرد إلى ربه فيعذبه عذابا نكرا. He said, as for one who wrongs, we will punish him. Then he will be returned to his Rabb, and he will punish him with a terrible punishment. وَأَمَّا مَنْ آمَنَ وَعَمِلَ صَالِحًا فَلَهُ جَزَاءً الْحُسْنَى وَسَنَقُولُ لَهُ مِنْ أَمْرِنَا يُسْرًا. But as for one who believes and does righteousness, he will have a reward of the best, and we will speak to him from our command with ease. ثم أتبع سببا. Then he followed away. حتى إذا بلغ مطلع الشمس وجدها تطلع على قوم لم نجعل لهم من دونها سترا. Until when he came to the rising of sun, he found it rising on a people from whom we had not made against it any shield. كذلك وقد أحطنا بما لديه خبرا. Thus we had encompassed that he had in knowledge. ثم أتبع سببا. Then he followed away. حتى إذا بلغ بين السدين وجد من دونهما قوما لا يكادون يفقهون قولا. Until when he reached between two mountains, he found beside them a people who could hardly understand speech. قالوا يا ذا القرنين إن يأجوج ومأجوج مفسدون في الأرض فهل نجعل لك خرجا على أن تجعل بيننا وبينهم سدا. They said, O Zulkarnain, indeed Yajuj and Majuj are corrupters in the land, so may we assign for you an expenditure that you might make between us and them a barrier. قال ما مكنني فيه ربي خير فأعينوني بقوة أجعل بينكم وبينهم ردما. He said, that in which my Rabb has established me is better, but assist me with strength. I will make between you and them a dam. آتوني زبر الحديد حتى إذا ساوى بين الصدفين قال انفخوا حتى إذا جعله نارا قال آتوني أفرغ عليه قطرا. Bring me bars of iron. Until when he leveled between the two mountains' walls, he said, blow. Until when he had made it fire, he said, bring me what I may pour over it molten copper. فما استطاعوا أن يظهروا وما استطاعوا له نقبا. So they were unable to pass over it, nor were they able in it any penetration. قال هذا رحمة من ربي فإذا جاء وعد ربي جعله دكا كان وعد ربي حقا. Zulkarnain said, this is a mercy from my Rabb, but when the promise of my Rabb comes, he will make it level, and ever is the promise of my Lord true. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.